Hello guys, welcome to TechTube. Today we are going to see how to fix message not sending error in Android, as it was a major error in Android. So now let's see how to solve this. Before going to solve, I am checking before I am sending message. It's not received right now, it's failed. So now let's fix it. First of all, go to setting option, this one, click it, and here you can see SIM card and mobile network is that, this one, click it, and I am using Jio, and here click this. Here you can see mobile network is there, click it, and it was turn off mobile data working, and I'm doing select network automatically. It take a couple of seconds, so wait for a couple of seconds. It was one of the steps and consists of two steps. By using these two steps, this message not sending error is fixed in Android. As you can see now, the preferred available network is here. Click it, and it's register on network. This is one step, and other step is here. You can see airplane mode is there. Click it, click the airplane mode, and after 2 seconds or 3 seconds and 1 second, click enable it and wait for a couple of seconds. Yes, after the network is coming, go to message, and now you can text hi, I'm text like that. Yes, it's received right now. So this is how to fix message not send error in Android. So thanks for watching. For more videos, stay tuned to TechTube. Thank you.